see that whether
Ah,
you are.
I knew.
So yesterday we have done this much. We are first doing revision.
એમાં કરે ને તો
Yes.
બરાબર આવે ઓલું લખાય
First
એમ
we are doing
એટલે
revision. Yesterday I said this father and daughter were discussing something. The lift stop at this floor and this floor. That they were discussing, right? So then her father, no, he said, okay, I think so you have learned about factors and multiples in the class. So she replied, okay, no, still we didn't learn this. So now let's see in the school how she learns about this. So this is about her school, how she will learn about multiples factors. So first we will see about multiples only, how she will learn. So some examples will be shown to her and then they have to count and they will see how to use it. So this way some groups are given, group of three. So yesterday I told you to find the total,
યા
what
યા
we have
હું
to do. To
तो
find the
30
total, you
आएगा।
just have to
10
multiply.
10 रहेगा
मैंने यार
10 ग्रुप
मैंने ही
है
बताया था
हाँ.
30 आएगा।
Yesterday I said you just have to see how many groups are there. So number of groups. How many groups are there? That. So 10 groups are there. And in one group, how many objects are there? In one
थ्री
group. सब में
थ्री
कितने कितने हैं? Three, three. Yes.
10 3 जा 30।
Yes.
आंसर आ गया।
तो मैम 10 3 का 30 कहाँ से हुआ
ले
Wait, I'm explaining.
13 10
मैम
Yesterday
सिर्फ
I
एक
said,
थोड़ी काम होता है 3 3 है
so 3, 3 in each and 10 times because 10 groups are there. So 10 multiplied by 3, it will be 30.
ठीक है
Because 10 groups are there, no, you can also count. Yesterday, I guess this I told to Anas, I guess his turn was there yesterday, and I told him to count. So he counted that how many groups are there: one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 groups. And in each group, you can see how many objects are there. So in each group, how many are there? 3, 3, right? So to find the total, whether you can multiply 10 threes or whether you can add. 1, 2, 3, that way you can add also or whether you can multiply. So which one is easy?
मैम काउंट करो ना तो भी 30 होता है मल्टीप्लाई करो
Exactly.
तो भी 30 होता है
Exactly. But the easy one is,
मैम जितने ग्रुप है ना ग्रुप के अंदर कितना है 3 है ना तो उसको मल्टीप्लाई करने का जितने ग्रुप है ना उसके साथ
yes. And King Gaming Mighty, what you have written in the chat box? 277582753. Is that your number?
No.
What is that 2775 ID? That gaming
मैम
ID.
कुछ नहीं कुछ है ही नहीं
I can see in the chat box, huh?
मैम मैं अभी लेफ्ट होके आया ना इसलिए मेरे को कुछ नहीं दिखा रहा
But I can see in the computer.
आप भी लेफ्ट होके आ जाओ आपको भी नहीं दिखेगा
No, in computer we can see whether we leave or not. Whether we rejoin, then also we can see in the computer. And Anas has also written
मीटिंग
something.
लगता है
Bolo, Anas,
क्या
now don't
मैम?
use chat box. Don't use chat box for anything. To wish also and to share the IDs also like this. I think
चेक बॉक्स
so.
बंद कर सकते हो ना?
हाँ,
कर दो ना मैम तो।
बंद कर दिया.
ले मैम कर भी
नो
दिया।
मैम नो आपको ही काम रहेगा कौन कैप्टन
Whenever
बनेगा
I will
उसमें
need, I will tell you. Okay, I will
ओके
on it and then I can use it.
ओके ओके
मैम यार ऐसा मत करो।
Why?
ए रूहान
I'll
હું
shoot.
કામ બોલો છો યાર? गधेड़।
ले जैसे गधेड़ा ने सब बोलता हो मैम देख लो अभी
See, recording is on only, right? So I can show to his parents also. So first of all, he is sharing the ID, I guess. Whatever is written in the chat box, I guess that is ID, right? And whose ID is that, by the way? King Gaming White.
ये जानी देवदान
उसने
देवदान मोहम्मद रजा.
Okay. Now don't share IDs like this. Now let's revise the next one. So this was about multiplication and addition, right? Which one is easy?
मैम इसके बाद दो आएंगे वो लाइट वाले, लाइट चॉकलेट जो बोलते हैं वो.
Then the definitions are also given, which I have explained yesterday.
वो
The
कुछ
number
काम
3,
की
6,
नहीं है.
9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 77, and 30
ये
are the
नहीं, उसके
product of
बाद
3
वाली
with another.
समझा, वो काम की है.
I know. But here they have just given the example, no, the same thing they have explained. Okay, there in that example, the group of 3 were given, no, 3, 3, 3, that way, 10 groups were there. So the same definition they have explained here, the same thing, the same example. Okay, when you multiply 3 with another number, no, like 1, 2, 3, when you multiply 3 with 1 to 10, so you will get this 3, 6, 9, 12 as a result, means as a product. So what do we call that? So multiples. And
मल्टीप्लाई.
next, again multiply. I said no, both the things are different.
मल्टीपल.
And next one is proper definition. And even I said no, after your exam gets over, I will send that PDF so that you can write. But until just complete your fair book, huh?
मैम सिर्फ इसका वीडियो है, रिकॉर्डिंग हुआ वो मत डालना. जो आप YouTube से सर्च किया था ना, वो ही डाल देना YouTube से, तो हमें आवाज भी
But
सुनाई
whenever
दे.
I know, but whenever I search, no, so I don't save that video in the YouTube. So I do, again I have to find, and then if I will find, I will share.
चलेगा.
So this is the proper definition of that. Multiples of numbers are those numbers that are the product of original number with another number. So yesterday I explained, okay, this is original number which is 3, and when you multiply 3 with 1 to 10, no, which is another number. So you will get this
yes
3, 6,
ma'am.
9, 12, 15, that one. So what do we call that? Multiple. आ गया समझ में, or do you have doubt? This is only revision which we have completed yesterday.
नो समझ में नहीं आया.
Then ask me your doubt, proper doubt, whichever you have.
मेन चीज आपने बताया वो समझ में नहीं आया.
Main cheese is that the heading is multiples, no? So I have explained you what is multiples. And multiples means how do we get multiples? So here 3 is given, you can see in the table of 3. सब में 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 है. So when you multiply 3 with 1 to 10, like this, तो as a result what you will get? 3 को 1 के साथ multiply करोगे तो क्या मिलेगा? 3 को 2 के साथ multiply करोगे तो क्या मिलेगा?
6
You will get 3. But when you will multiply 3 with 2, what you will get?
6.
6. Then again when you will multiply 3 with 3, what you will get? 9. That way
9
these are the result, right? These are the
12
product. So these are the
Yeah,
number which we are getting, no? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, which we are getting as a result, as a product. That is called multiples. और किसके multiple? 3 के.
हमको उसमें टेबल याद रखने के.
हाँ. Or you can just remember the gap between the number. ये सब में 3, 3 का gap होता है, right? If
मैम
it's table
क्योंकि
of 3, if it's table of 3, the gap is of 3. If it's table of 5, then gap is of 5.
मतलब
3, 3 का gap है ना ये सब के बीच में. You can see ये सब के बीच में, ये दोनों के बीच में. How much is the gap? 3, 3, right? 3, then again 3 का gap, and then the next is 6.
yes.
This was the definition. Then some examples were given to you of the boxes, like this. Here in this example, only one box is there, and in one box, how many objects are there? So 4, right? You can see in one box how many are there? 4. And as one box is there, so 4 ones are, and then at last total you will get 4. Then next example also will be given to you after this. See, 4 ones are 4. Yesterday we have covered this.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'm seeing the name, that student will tell me, okay? That in one box, how many are there? How many biscuits? Sajjad, mute your mic. Otherwise I'm muting you or I will remove it. Now I'm saying the name Anas. Mute the mic.
Yes, ma'am. बोलो मैम.
I was saying
Yes,
I will
ma'am.
say someone's name and that person will only give the answer. Anas,
Okay.
don't unmute
Sir,
it again and again. Not sir, I'm ma'am.
अच्छा तो आप माइक बंद करने के लिए बोल रहे हो.
हाँ. So first name is Mithani Eliabas. Will you say that in this milky biscuit, how many biscuits are there? This is one box. Just count, you will see, I guess.
Five, 6.
Are you sure? Count it and
Yes.
then tell me. Okay, and who is raising the hand? आईडी कैसे चला डाली नहीं
Ma'am, 5.
आज ही नहीं डाले उस वजह से झगड़ा हुआ मेरे पे शक कर रहे थे मैंने मैम को बोल
Ma'am, 5.
फिर अल्पे सर के साथ भी लड़े थे हाँ 5 are there so in this one box 5 are there right so how can we write in that format
Mm.
these ones are this that way in
Mm-hmm.
multiplication form so that I guess Anas knows Anas you have raised the hand so do you know how to write in one box 5 biscuits are there right so how can we show that in multiplication form yes Ruhan you
यानी
can
मैम
say
I
एलम्बा.
want the 5.
yes 5 ones are 5 because one box and 5 biscuits right that's right 5 ones are 5 and after this they will give us example of dish in which some mangoes are there so this one Sajjad will say Sajjad will you say in how many dishes are there in one dish? How many mangoes are there? Sajjad, do you know?
Ma'am, 6. Petty.
There are so many students who are not giving answer. You just have to count. I said counting you have already learned in first
6.
standard. Nurul, I know your answer is right. But I was telling to Sajjad, if your mic is not working, let me turn on the chat box. But I don't think so. Your
Fiska.
mic is not working. This Sajjad. Every time he just give that excuse that his mic is not working, which I don't believe. Sajjad, write in the chat box what happened. Now next name is Anas. Will you just count and say how many mangoes are there and how many dishes?
ओके मैम. 6.
6
6
mangoes are
मैंगो.
there and only one dish is there. So how can we make the show that in a multiplication form?
6 ones are.
Yes, 6 ones are 6. Now in the upcoming next example, not one box or one dish, but few more dishes and few more boxes will be given, and you have to make that multiplication format. 6 ones are 6. And even this also I have explained you yesterday. Okay, every number is a multiple of itself. This one.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, whenever you will make a list, no, of
Yes, ma'am.
multiples of
इसके
2,
बाद इधर
multiples of 3. So first one is itself. Starting उसके खुद से होती है. तो starting उसके खुद से होगी, right? You can see whenever I am showing. Suppose let's make a list for number 9. So we will write the table only 9, then 18. Then next one. This way we will make a list of multiples of 9. Right? 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. I guess you know the tables. Then suppose if we write for number 4. 4, then 8, 12, 16, that way, right? So whenever we'll make a list, no, for number 9 and 4, then some other number also, then first one is itself only. पहला जो number है वो खुद का है, खुद. Okay? So that's what I've explained. So is this clear
मतलब
or you
इसके
have
टेबल
doubt?
में वो खुद है, इसके टेबल में वो खुद है ऐसा।
हाँ, उसकी स्टार्टिंग खुद के टेबल की स्टार्टिंग खुद से ही होती है ना. 6 ones are then 6 only. As answer you will get that.
बनकर
Then any other doubt or understood?
हाँ मेरे को डाउट है।
हाँ, then sir.
सिक्स आम मैंगो है और वन प्लेट है, तो हम
हाँ.
लोग को 6 करना है और 2 प्लेट है और 6 आम है, तो हम
6
लोग
twos
को
are. 6 twos are. One is for a dish, right? So instead of one, there will be two. And then you will get 12. So 12 mangoes are there, no, in two dishes when you will count 6 and 6, 12. That example also will be given to you. You will see that.
वन बॉक्स और वन जाकर
Here you can see two boxes are there, and in each four are there. That's why 4 2.
लेकिन मेरे 2 बॉक्स का क्या है,
Yeah?
मेरे 2 बॉक्स का क्या है।
The first one is downside, but it is not clearly visible. The other one is here.
हाँ अभी समझ में आ गया।
Then here it's visible clearly that how many boxes and in each how many biscuits are there. So for this also I'm saying someone's name. Keshwani Mohammad Raza, will you please just count how many boxes of Milky biscuits are there? Keshwani Mohammad Raza, will you count how many boxes? Hey, Nayani Mohammad Raza, are you Keshwani Mohammad Raza?
Yes.
Then whoever, how many means anyone,
15.
whoever have changed the name, no, please inform me so that I
Answer
can tell to your
15.
parents
ना
if you have changed your name. Next name
ये
is
तो मेरे को पता है।
okay, good. हाँ, good, good. Next name is Zaki, Virani Zaki.
मैं तो मैं हमारे क्रिएट कर दिया।
हाँ. Virani Zaki, will you please count and say how many biscuits, box of biscuits are there? Zaki,
मैम आंसर 15। एक में 5 है।
देखो मैं तो पहले ही बोल गया।
3 5 था।
देखो ये भी
okay, next name, Nayani Mohammad Raza.
Yes.
अभी सबको आ रहा है, बधाने बोलते हैं आंसर।
Let them repeat. No, it's okay if they are repeating. Yes, Nayani Mohammad Raza, you tell me how many boxes of Milky biscuits are there. In each box, how many biscuits are there?
One box में 5.
13।
हाँ, एक बॉक्स में 5 5 है, सब बॉक्स में. और कितने
3
बॉक्स है?
5 15. 3 5 15.
So whether you can write 3 5s or 5 3s, if you are writing that how many biscuits are there in each, then 5. And how many? 18 में से दोनों. 18 यहाँ पे लिखा है, उसमें से दोनों. हाँ, तो 5 3s are 15. Now after biscuits, again the next example will be of mangoes.
1 2 3
So
4
I'm
5.
saying the name. Don't say. Nayani, you also mute your mic. Now next name.
मैम टोटल बोल दूं?
Arey no, Anas. Arey quite. Oh, I'm removing you. I can remove you. Don't forget that.
20.
किसको?
Shall I remove? Shall I remove? Next name Gabrani Mohammad Raza. Gabrani Mohammad Raza.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you just count how many dishes are there, and in each dish how many mangoes are there?
Okay. 4 dishes are there, ma'am.
Dishes are 4.
Yes.
Then
19 mango.
6, 12.
and in each you can see 6 are there.
मैसेज कर रहा है।
ma'am,
19.
And don't be don't be the
19.
total of the class. Why 19?
ma'am,
In each you can see 6. Here also 6. Here also 6. Means it's not clearly visible. And here also 6.
Yes.
Okay. That's why 6 for them.
Mm,
24.
Yes.
23.
बॉक्स बंद अभी हो गया।
Now few more examples are given. That now 3 boxes, and in each you can see 4 are there.
मैम 3 बॉक्सेस दिख ही नहीं रहे, नहीं तो करो।
I know. It's not visible. The third one is here.
आपका मोबाइल, लगता है आपका मोबाइल छोटा हो गया है।
The video is framed, no, that's why.
15.
When I cropped, no, so by mistake it cropped from down also. Then here
मैम
5
मिल्की
boxes
के अंदर
were
कितने हैं?
biscuit 5, and then mangoes.
ओह 242.
बस माइक म्यूट करना।
Okay, now these examples are very
42 मैम
okay.
42.
Now next you can see some coloring buses and cars are going. So the same color box, same color cars and buses are there. When you will see from the starting, so red and green few colors are common. ये सेम तरह की जा रही है बस एक जैसी, और कार भी एक
मैम
जैसी
ग्रीन
है।
कलर की बस कभी देखी ही नहीं है।
हाँ बट इसमें
रेड
ग्रीन रेड
and cars also the same type, but again and again the same kind
कलर
of.
की तो देखी है ना, क्यों?
ग्रीन रेड
So red cars,
12
12 red card 3 multiply by 4 12.
I'm explaining, first let it stop.
360
6 3 18 6 4 20.
So whenever I say count the buses, like it is given in some other way in the question also. Like story sums तो होते थे ना थर्ड फोर्थ स्टैंडर्ड में, स्टोरी सम्स के नहीं होते थे?
Yes.
हाँ, so the same way,
Yeah, ma'am.
suppose if story sums नहीं होते थे, word problems
What
when you were
problem?
in word problem. So when you were very small in third fourth standard, some situations were given, word problems were given कि इतनी कार हो,
फोर्थ में
इतने
हम
ये
लोग
हो.
क्या थे? फोर्थ में हम लोग थोड़ी थे।
हाँ, but online also you have not learned anything.
नहीं,
Right now you are learning online in fifth. Same way.
लेकिन फोर्थ की बात
No,
की थी ये
ma'am,
लोग।
we are not learning. We are for fun.
बात सांभर। मैम फोर्थ में पूरा 2 साल का लॉकडाउन था ना।
Online we were teaching you. Right now how I am teaching you the same.
मैम, वो लॉकडाउन हुआ था तभी तभी तो ऑनलाइन भी बंद था।
I know, but when online was there last year, when I was taking your science, that time.
आप साइंस ले लेना मैम।
I'm already
हाँ,
busy with
मैम आप
this.
साइंस और मैथ्स दोनों लो
I'm
क्योंकि
already
साइंस
busy,
वाला
but
मैम को
I'm
अच्छा
already
समझाते
busy.
पर तुम्हारे जैसा नहीं समझाते। एक काम करो आप साइंस और मैथ्स दोनों ले लो।
But I'm already
ना
busy.
ना मैम, आप एक काम करो, मेरा पूरे लेक्चर आप ही ले लो
ओहो
ताकि स्कूल खाली થઈ જાય।
Then who will take but
ये
6th
से
standard
खाती
maths?
है
I have to take first 6th standard maths also.
आज
ऐसा
आओ
क्या
तो
कर
मेरे
रहा
को
है?
लिख देंगे।
And I have to
मैं
teach
तो
them
कोई
also.
पूरे क्लब में आती है पूरे क्लब में
फोर्थ
Yes.
में मैथ्स लिया था, फोर्थ में साइंस लिया था, अब मैथ्स लो और सिक्स में वापस साइंस।
No, in 6th I am taking maths right now.
मैम वो आती है
Yes. How do you know her? Tuition mate.
मेरी बहन है मैम
Acha. Sister.
मेरे खाला के लड़के
Okay. So few other example we will see afterward. Right now I'm showing the notes. And this textbook PDF also after exam gets over, I will send. Those who have textbook they can see
मैम
in the
सिक्स
textbook
में
PDF.
बहुत ज्यादा हार्ड होता है मैथ्स।
एग्जाम तो
In
खत्म हो
5th
गए
right now
मैम आपने
Oxford.
लेसन 5 की पीडीएफ भेज दी है।
क्या?
In 5th
नहीं
right now you have Oxford, and in 6th you will have NCRT maths book, not Oxford.
ओ
एनसीईआरटी
भाई
में
NCRT is one
बड़ी
other
दादी
publication.
स्कूल
Oxford
में
from
क्या
भेज
मैम?
देते हो ना
सब बोल रहे
क्या
हैं
मैम?
मैम वो नाइन्थ की आती है वो
एमपी?
कैसे है दादी
हाँ वैसे हाँ in 9th also right now NCRT जो मतलब इंडिया के रिलेटेड है, और ऑक्सफोर्ड जो है ना वो तुम लोग को पता ही है, आउट ऑफ
इसके लिए
कंट्री वाली यूनिवर्सिटी है, ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी है
हाँ
फॉरेन की। हाँ वो सब
वो
पब्लिकेशन है।
सिक्स की आती है हाँ, हम लोग सिक्स में आएंगे तभी हमारा संस्कृत याद रहेगा
हाँ
बाबा
एग्जैक्टली, दैट इज ऑल्सो न्यू सब्जेक्ट विच आई डोंट लाइक।
और कभी नहीं पसंद है। नाम सुन के हमने देखा था ना कुछ लिखने का कुछ समझ कुछ पढ़ने का कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा
हाँ and Anas, why are you sleeping and studying?
पता रहा
बाद में हम भी बोर्ड के एग्जाम देंगे।
When you will in
बोर्ड
10th?
बस कैम देवा।
बोर्ड में इतना गैस मेरे लिए पसंद
हाँ दो खबर पे इंग्लिश की जैसा मैथ्स का पेपर नहीं था वो ही।
Means
ये तो
yesterday's paper was hard.
नो नो नो
नो
Then
नो नो
मैथ्स का था।
लेटर
मैथ्स का तो बहुत ही
मैंने ट्यूशन में वो दिया इंग्लिश का पेपर
हैं
ऐसे कितने कम आए तो इंग्लिश में और गुजराती तने कोई गई से काम करा तारी
बस
मेरे
don't fight.
गुजराती में और इंग्लिश के थोड़े मार्क्स कम आए हैं बी आया बाकी सब में एक ने
Good,
अच्छा
but
है।
soon you will improve that also.
मैम क्या
In FA2 let's see now कि you got improvement or not.
ऐसा वन कब आ गया?
In FA2 result will be there no soon. When we will check the paper means when you will
जल्दी से एफ टू आ जा और ये
but you
फिफ्थ
have
आ गए
हाँ
और 6 महीने का वेकेशन मिल जावे।
ले
रोज सुबह 8 बजे देंगे का 6 महीने तक।
करनो મળે
એટલું બધું વેકેશન નો।
हाँ एग्जैक्टली इतना नहीं सोचना चाहिए, इतनी बड़ी ख्वाहिश।
मैम तो 4 महीने का तो दे दो।
ફાઇનલ એક્ઝામ નુરુલ ફાઇનલ એક્ઝામ પછી મળે એટલું મોટું વેકેશન।
આટલું મોટું એફ2 પછી નહીં, ફાઇનલ એક્ઝામ પછી બસ 8 મહિના પછી 8 મહિનાનું બોલો।
સ્કૂલ કો ખુલ रही है।
हाँ चलो चलो I mean okay Eli, I mean now let's continue.
લાયામી
નકર મિસ
हाँ
એ રૂહાન
ફાઇનલ
નકર મિસ
એક્ઝામ તો આવવા દે।
हाँ बोल
नक्कर मिस बोल से कैसे ना कर ली तुम लोगों ने बात।
हाँ
एग्जैक्टली
आप बोलते
आई
हैं
विल से अभी कोई बाकी है बोलने में तो बोल लो फिर मैं बोल
एग्जैक्टली
वो लोग बोलने वाले थे ना मैम।
हाँ दैट इज माय फिक्स डायलॉग व्हेनेवर यू टॉक आई विल से दिस
आपका डायलॉग है तो ना
मैम
अब
एग्जैक्टली
फिल्म में
बोला
चले जाओ
जाता है।
ना।
अगली बार तो मैं बोलूं।
बात पे आपने कल बात बोलूं
हाँ एग्जैक्टली
फिल्म में चले जाओ मैम।
नाउ मैं आई स्पीक
देखा मैम,
क्या
ये आपका डायलॉग था।
हाँ
ना फिल्म में चले जाओ मैम।
ना
एग्जैक्टली
you all are actors so you can go I never do
हम लोग
acting
बस हम लोग का एक्टिंग
मैम
ड्रामे
आपका
बस
घर पहले जहाँ था वहीं पे है अभी।
you are actually ड्रामे बस
हम लोग को
राइट
एक्टिंग करनी
हाँ,
है।
हम लोग
सही
ड्रामा
बात
में चलते हैं
है।
मैम, फिल्म में नहीं चलते।
એમાં તું આવી જાઓ ડ્રામામાં આગળ જાણ રાખી લે
हाँ हाँ,
एग्जैक्टली
આપણે બધાય આવી ગયા।
આખી સ્કૂલ વાળા આવી જાય
okay now let me
આખી
speak
સ્કૂલ
this
हम
PDF
लास्ट 5 मिनट में बातें करेंगे तब तक के लिए
5 મિનિટ તો થઈ ગઈ ચલો
5 मिनट की देर है, चलो बातें करो।
let me stop